So in the last video, we talked about the 4 most common adaptations that occur with overhead athletes. For a recap, here they are. Number 1, excessive external rotation. So let's turn Tyra this way. A lot of times, if you're an overhead athlete, you can develop a ton of external rotation, which is this direction. Another adaptation is the exact opposite, which is where you can have really limited internal rotation. That's internal rotation. The third one is a shoulder blade that really just doesn't function well. So if Tyra's shoulder blade just doesn't have good control and function, that can cause some issues overhead, and it's certainly something that we see with overhead athletes. And the fourth one is limited external rotation strength. So again, this is external rotation. If you think about it, everything that you do as an overhead athlete is propelling something forward. So these muscles that are in the back are just not getting worked as much if you're just doing your sport. So we're going to talk about all those things.
So today we're going to go over an abbreviated arm care routine for overhead athletes. This routine is specifically designed with some core exercise to address these adaptations that Cliff had previously mentioned.
Okay, so this exercise is designed to increase internal rotation. So that's this direction. What you can do is lie on your side like Tyra is here, a slight roll back this way, not totally on your side. And then she's gonna grab her wrist with her top hand and just gently push it down to the table. Just like that. You should feel a stretch, but it shouldn't be painful. Back off if it hurts, okay? Hold it for like 30, 40 seconds like that. You could try 3 or 4 of them. This exercise is designed to increase external rotation strength, okay? So what Tyra's gonna do is gonna keep her elbow at her side, and she's just gonna pull the band away. Perfect, just like that. You don't wanna keep your, you wanna keep your elbow at your side and not do this. She's doing a perfect job of that. She should feel it in the back of her arm.
The next exercise we're going to go over is called the W. So Cliff is gonna take the band in both hands, and he's gonna pull back that looks like a W. And what that's going to do is work on this posterior chain strengthening as well as scapular stability. This exercise is called a Serratus Push-Up. So the serratus anterior is a muscle that comes wrapped along the ribs and attaches to the scapula. It's really important for that overhead movement. So Cliff is going to go into a push-up position, and he's going to keep both arms straight and just dip down by squeezing his shoulder blades together and then coming back up slowly. If any of this causes pain, you could modify by doing it on a mat table or an elevated surface like the wall.
Definitely try those 4 exercises. They can really help keep you in the game and make sure that you're able to perform at your best and stay out of PT. Good luck.